Just kidding, it's only sugar. One of the ingredients you'll need to make the best fucking snack your feeble mind can barely even comprehend. Along with sugar, you'll also need quick oats, vanilla extract, cocoa, and coconut shavings. Refrigerated ingredients include butter or margarine, and milk. The tools required are a full and half measuring cup, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, mixing spoon, baking trays, wax or parchment paper, a pot to pour all of this bullshit into, Ziploc bags for storage, and a large blunt weapon to defend your treats from hungry housemates.
And the demons that creep in your peripherals.
First thing you'll do is preheat the oven. Kidding again, ovens are for moms and hipsters. We only need a hot stove like for your craft dinner and sad instant noodles. The real first step is to add 2 cups of 2 cups of sugar. Best not to think too hard about how this is a real shit ton of sugar. If you have diabetes, the mere sight of these things will probably shave years off your life. Next, toss in 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is enough to kill most medium-sized dogs like beagles, Scottish terriers, and corgis. Now if any dogs die in my neighborhood, my search history is going to look awful suspicious from writing this joke. This will most likely not kill any medium-sized humans. Plop half a cup of margarine in next. It's a bit hard to fill the cup with this, so maybe just mush it and heap it a bit. You won't have the same trouble with milk though, it's a liquid, unlike whatever the fuck margarine is. Carefully pour it into the pot without spilling like a huge idiot. Half a cup of that will be enough. I prefer bay cell margarine because I'm not a subhuman. Heat up a stovetop and place the pot on there. You're going to have to bring this mix to a boil. Feel free to mix what you have so far, because segregation is so 1901. Once it's brought to its boiling point, and it's bubbling, add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that little extra sweetness in your permanently soured life. For my first couple batches, I misread and added a full tablespoon. Everyone who had some of those has gone blind. Haha, oops. Decrease the heat and add 3 cups of quick oats and 1 cup of shredded coconut. Then remove from the hot thingy. I like to add one of each first, mix, and then add the last 2 oats. I think it helps mix evenly, but I'm not your mom, so do whatever the fuck you want. Mix it nice and thoroughly until it's consistent, and then get your trays and sheets ready. You can use whatever size spoon you like when you scoop these steamy, meaty globs into the trays, depending on how big you want these delicious balls of poison to be. If you have the shakes like me, Broken Old People, and Michael J. Fox, it might take you a while to do this. If the mix cools too much, it'll get more crumbly than American-made steel beams, so occasionally return it to the heat and mix it. Otherwise, you'll be fine. Now that you've used all your mixture and filled your trays, you'll want to start eating them immediately. But exercise some patience, you disgusting pig, because you'll want to pop these in the fridge or freezer to cool and harden them. While you wait, you can do something smart for a change, like ponder your existence, wonder where it all went wrong, or watch a gaming video on the TK Gaming channel. After a while, they're good to eat. Feel free to store them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, or to start eating them immediately because you have no self-control and push everyone away. I hope you enjoyed my first baking video. I usually do gaming stuff, so I hope you didn't expect it to be good. Bye!